Today we'll be making a bow organizer or a bolt holder. Here's what you need: felt, a wooden shape of an animal or object. It just has to be the same exact shape as a felt. Scissors, one large ribbon, one small ribbon, and one medium-sized ribbon. Hot glue gun here, and this double-sided tape. First, let's get the owl that we have, and we're going to glue it right here on its back. Make sure it's a big space. Then take the medium ribbon and glue it on just like this. Make sure it's stable. Here's how it looks, how it should look. Next, you're going to glue it again, like this, on top of our black ribbon. You're going to take the large ribbon and glue it. It's going to be just like this. It's going to have double ribbon. Looks very cute. It's like really long. Now, okay, next, starting with the small ribbon, you're going to glue it right over here at the top of its head. So it's going to be the hanger so that you can hang it. This will be a Halloween themed, pumpkin themed Halloween. You guys can choose whatever you guys want. The color, it's going to be just like this. Now, take your scissors and cut off the excess, just like this. It's looking really better right now. Make sure it's stable. Then you're going to take your felt and glue it. Just like, you're going to glue it just like this. It's going to be easy. Make sure your parents do it for you, because you're good at burnt. Now take your felt and put it on your owl, or the shape that you chose. We got these wooden objects at Hobby Lobby at the craft section. It's good. It looks just like this. Now, take your double-sided tape and let's cut it. Just like this. And another piece. We got 3 pieces that you guys are going to use. Wait, actually, guys can use 2. It's fine. You're going to take it right here. Do one right here. You can glue it if you want, but double-sided tape is the best, so that kids can do it by themselves. Do it right in the middle, so it will stick. It's going to be just like this. Here is what it looks like. Now, let's take some bows and put it on. These are JoJo bows that I have. You can even make your own homemade bows. It's really long, so I'm pretty sure that you guys will have enough space to store most of your bows, like your favorites. We got small bows, medium bows, and big bows. I do. You guys might only have medium and small. You guys might have bigs, no smalls. Guys might have smalls and bigs, and you guys might have bigs and mediums. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 bows on there. There is still a lot of room. Okay, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Bye!